So removing and cleaning the hopper. First step is to shut this flap and just get rid of any retention shots in there. If you don't do this, there is loads of beans and all sorts when you pull that top off, and it can make it harder to get it back on. So once we've ground all that retention, give it a twist and just pop the beans into some Tupperware. With this, you can then do hot and soapy, give it a good scrub, get rid of all the oils, and then this needs to be left to air dry overnight. If there's any moisture in here which can leak into the grinder, it can break it.